Hello and welcome back, amazing learners. This is your teacher, and you are watching English with a Foo, your one step place for fun and simple English learning. Today's topic is very useful, very practical, and something we use in daily conversation all the time. Like if I say, did you used to watch cartoons? Did your father used to ride a bicycle? Did the people used to write letters before phones came? Yes, these are called interrogative sentences with used to, and today we are going to understand them fully, easily, and practically. First, let us understand what are interrogative sentences with used to. Before that, let me tell you that we have already learned about the affirmative and negative sentences with the help of used to structure in the previous sessions. If you haven't watched those videos, so you can go first and watch those videos for the first to clear your confusion, then move forward with this video. Now, let us understand the meaning of interrogative sentences with the help of used to. Interrogative. What's the meaning of interrogative? Interrogative means a question, and when we use used to in a question, we are asking someone about their past habits or routines. For example, क्या तुम पहले स्कूल बस से जाया करते थे? Or I can say the sentence in the simplest way, क्या तुम पहले बस से स्कूल जाया करते थे? Like, what would I say? Did you used to go to school by bus? Did you used to go to school by bus? क्या तुम पहले बस से स्कूल जाते थे? Are you understanding what I mean to say? In this video, we will learn how to ask questions. Questions are very important and everyone asks the questions right now. So today, we are going to learn about asking questions. How do we ask questions with the help of the structure regarding used to? So for making the used to sentences, while we are asking questions, we are having a structure of interrogative sentences. Let us look for the structure first, then we will move further for the next session or for the next videos or for next sentences. Let us look at the structure for the first. Let's see, whenever we are going to ask the question, we would use did for the first. Did we are using first for asking questions. After did we will use subject. Then used to, not used to. Remember, we are using used to because we are using did. And with did we use used to, not used to. And then verb, and in the last an object. Clear? For example, here is a sentence written, क्या तुम क्रिकेट खेला करते थे? Did, first we would use did. We are talking tum, so we are talking about you, right? Did you used to play cricket? क्या तुम क्रिकेट खेला करते थे? Did you used to play cricket? क्या वो गाने गाया करती थी? Did she used to sing songs? क्या वह स्कूल जाया करता था? Did he used to go to school? Are you understanding how to ask questions about the past habits of someone? Let's see this as well. क्या तुम दादी से मिलने जाया करते थे? Did you used to visit grandmother or grandma? We can say, did you used to visit grandma? If I ask you, क्या वो पहले गाड़ी चलाया करता था? How will I ask? Comment me. क्या वो पहले गाड़ी चलाया करता था? Did he used to drive a car? क्या वे पहले दिल्ली में रहते थे? Did they used to live in Delhi? क्या हम पहले पैदल स्कूल जाया करते थे? Did we used to walk to school? क्या तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स पहले कहानियाँ सुनाते थे? Did your parents used to tell stories? Are you getting how to ask questions to anyone? For asking questions, we are having a very simple structure. First, we are going to use did, then subject, used to, verb, and last object. It's very simple, right? Now tell me which sentence is correct. Did he used to play or did he used to play? Did he used to play or did he used to play? Tell me fast which one is correct and which one is wrong. Obviously, the first sentence I spoke, that was wrong. Did he used to play? That is wrong because we want to use used, right? And the next sentence is right. Did he used to play? Which sentence is correct? Tell me. Did she used to sing or did she used to sing? Obviously, the correct answer is B. Did she used to sing? Now it's your time. Dash, you used to go to the temple. Dash, you used to go to the temple. Do, did, does. Tell me. Which question word will be used here right now? Do, did or does? Obviously, we would use did because the starting of asking questions is starting with did, not do and does. Okay, now I am giving you a very simple affirmative sentence. The affirmative sentence is he used to write poems. वो कविताएं लिखा करता था. He used to write poems. Now if you have to ask question कि क्या वो कविताएं लिखा करता था, then how you are going to ask question? Make the interrogative sentence of this affirmative sentence. The sentence is he used to write poems, or we can say he used to write poems. Now tell me how you are going to ask question. Let me give you an example. No, I am not giving you examples. Let me give you options. You have to choose. You will also have to do something, right? So I am giving you 3 options and you have to choose the correct option. The first option A is, did he used to write poems? Did he used to write poems? The next one is, did he used to write poems? Or the last one is, does he used to write poems? Now tell me which sentence is correct. For asking the question of affirmative sentence, he used to write poems. The correct answer is B. Did he used to write poems? Now I am asking you a question. You have to identify a correct structure of making the interrogative sentences with the help of used to. First structure is use plus subject plus did to plus verb. And another one is did plus subject plus used to plus verb. And the last option is subject plus did use plus to verb. Tell me which structure for asking or for making interrogative sentences is correct. Comment me the correct structure. I am checking. Yes, the correct structure is did plus subject plus used to plus verb. Like, did you used to watch cartoons? Did you used to watch cartoons? Hope you are learning well. Now it's your speaking challenge right now. You have to repeat after me. The first question is, did you used to like chocolates? Did you used to like chocolates? Did you used to like chocolates? Now it's your time. You have to speak the sentence. Now the next sentence is, did she used to wear a uniform? Did she used to wear a uniform? Now it's your time. Repeat after me. Now next, did he used to come late? Did he used to come late? Sentence number 4 is, did they used to live in Mumbai? Did they used to live in Mumbai? Repeat after me. Try to speak the sentences to make your pronunciation better and to improve your speaking skills. It's your benefit. It's beneficial for you, right? The next is, did we used to watch movies on Sundays? Did we used to watch movies on Sundays? Now make your Now make your own sentences and complete the blanks. First is, did you used to dash as a child? Like, did you used to cry as a child? What you are using here? You are just using a verb here. Did your mother used to dash? Did your mother used to cook? Did your mother used to bring something new for you every day? Like this, you have to increase the sentence. You have to use verb. Did you used to go to dash every day? Like, did you used to go to school every day? Speak about your own sentence, own verb, okay? Next is, did you used to be afraid of dash? Did you used to be afraid of your teachers? Now let us look at the other sentences very quickly. क्या तुम जल्दी उठते थे? Did you used to wake up early? Did you used to wake up early? क्या तुम जल्दी उठते थे? क्या वो खाना बनाती थी? Did she used to cook food? Did she used to cook food? क्या तुम टीवी देखते थे? Did you used to watch TV? क्या वो स्कूल जाती थी? Did she used to go to the school? Or we can say, did she used to go to school? Next, क्या वो किताबें पढ़ता था? Did he used to read the books? Or we can say, did he used to read books? क्या तुम बहुत हंसते थे? Did you used to laugh a lot? Did you used to laugh a lot? क्या तुम बहुत हंसते थे? Did you used to laugh a lot? Well done, learners. You have just mastered how to form and speak interrogative sentences using used to, and these sentences will help you ask questions about past habits of anyone. Okay, now you can easily ask the past habits, behaviors, and actions, and now you can use them confidently. We have learned the correct structure, that is did plus subject plus used to plus base verb and object in the last. Okay, and we have understood it with real life examples and Hindi meanings too we have seen, and we have done mini quizzes and speaking challenges for you for improving your speaking skills. Now it's your turn. Write 3 questions using used to in comments, and I will reply you when I will check your sentences. Like, now I am asking you a question. Did you used to watch my channel before? Do you used to watch my channel before? If you enjoyed this class, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to English with Afu with your friend, where learning is always fun and friendly. Keep speaking, keep shining, and remember, if you never used to speak English, now is the perfect time to start. See you in the next class. Till then, take care everyone. Happy learning with English with Afu. We will meet in the next session. Bye everyone. Take care of yourselves.